What's up, you guys? It's the 10th of May. ElonGate is going to get released in 1 hour on BitMart, and I think it's going to explode by then. I love their Instagram, by the way. They have amazing content on here. And as we can see, it's going to the moon. They reached 400,000 holders, guys. Amazing. But the numbers haven't looked that impressive compared to other coins that we've talked about on the channel and that I've shared in the Telegram group. But I think now it's going to change, guys. I think now that BitMart is going to accept it, we might see tremendous growth. If you want to know how to buy it right now before it gets released on BitMart, they have a pretty nice tutorial here, even a YouTube video on how to buy it right now. You will be able to buy it on BitMart in an hour. Guys, amazing following. 91,000 followers on Twitter and 35K on their Telegram, which is really huge for a token. Usually Instagram is not that big on crypto stuff, but great job with their marketing. They're doing amazing charities. As you can see, another one, live food distribution in Mosul, Iraq. 2 million raised for charities. So awesome stuff. And it's been promoted on mainstream media news sites. They actually did a campaign in New York where they had ElonGate billboards across the city, which was just incredible, like something that we haven't seen before from any token in the beginning stages. Just incredible stuff, guys. We went over it in another video, but this is just amazing, right? So ElonGate definitely not on the top of my list for investments into tokens, but it is definitely one to put at least a little bit of money in, because in the long term, it's going to pay off for sure. Definitely one to keep for the long term. And right now they got their first huge listing on BitMart and probably many more to come as well in the future. It's 1 hour before the BitMart launch, so we will see what happens in the next 24 hours to a week, 2 months from now. I think it is going to grow and grow and grow. It's been steadily growing, guys, for the last 14 days. Overall, really nice bullish upwards trend and a massive growth in the last 24 hours. Because of that BitMart listing, people are already getting on board. And once it hits BitMart, you know, it might go massive, but it could go sideways as well. It might result in a huge dip. We have seen it before with listings that sometimes investors who invested in the beginning start grabbing their money out. But I don't see it happening with ElonGate. They do have the charity aspect to it. So you do kind of want to keep your money in there because you donated to charity as well, kind of. So it's a very cool concept. And anyways, we talked about ElonGate so much. Just wanted to let you guys know that it's going to be listed in 1 hour. So you might want to put a little bit of money in there. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.